पाजी, यू वर इन न्यूज़। अभी लियोनेल मेसी आता है, वो कहते हैं कि जी 150 करोड़ मेसी को मत दो, आप मेरे को दे दो, मैं इंडिया को फुटबॉल में क्वालिफाई करा दूंगा।
आईपीएल में टिकटें नहीं बेचते 10,000 12,000 की जो बेची मेसी के लिए। तुम्हारे जेब में 4 रुपए नहीं रहना तुमने ताज में जाके 85 लाख रुपए, 85 lakhs फॉर अ सेल्फी, 10 lakh rupees फॉर अ फोटो लाइक दिस, 10 lakhs man. But our constitution also gives some protection to the states for autonomy. They can spend the money anywhere they want, put their mama, chacha, taya as the president, as the secretary, as general secretary, and when they die, they can give it to their son. I have to produce players for the national team. So produce 248 players. Why is that a great number? Because it's more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together on one side.
पाजी, मिनर्वा में क्या ऐसा कर रहे हो कि जो इतने टाइटल आप जीत रहे हो, इतना आप में
आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ethos with the best facilities, best coaches, best infrastructure. So 20 करोड़ लेके 10 साल 200 करोड़ खर्च किए जो किसी और के पैसे थे FASTL के, और तुमने कितने प्लेयर प्रोड्यूस किए इंडिया के लिए? The only way you could get in was if you paid Mr. Ambani 18 crores a year as franchise fees. 18 करोड़ रुपए फ्रेंचाइज फीस लेते थे अंबानी साहब। इंडियंस के पैसे से इंडियन मेसी बनना चाहिए। इफ इंडियंस गेट द राइट ट्रेनिंग, द राइट इकोसिस्टम, द राइट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कोचिंग, न्यूट्रिशन, डाइट, रिकवरी, स्पोर्ट्स साइंस, वी कैन बी वर्ल्ड बीटर्स, वी कैन बी वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस। 10 साल पहला, if you were walking in the market, got a stick with a spear on it, the police will arrest you. कि what the hell are you doing? What are you doing with a spear in the market? Now that's known as a javelin. Everyone knows what a javelin is. Before Neeraj Chopra, no one knew that. And now 10 Indians throw above 80 meters, yeah? Because of one Neeraj Chopra. Because my aim is getting India to the World Cup. Nothing else stands in the way. You have to be crazy like that, bhai.
आज के पॉडकास्ट में वी हैव वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फियरलेस एंड इन्फ्लुएंशियल वॉइसेस ऑफ द इंडियन फुटबॉल, रंजीत बजाज. Ranjit Bajaj is the founder of Minerva Academy, which is known to transform Indian grassroots football, and उनके players have not only represented at a national level but at international levels. उनकी Minerva Academy have won the multiple championship in I-Leagues and other things, and how their academy based in Mohali 450 बच्चों के साथ वो ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. उनका जो विजन है वो है 2034 में इंडिया को फीफा वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई कराना है. आज उन्होंने वो बात की है. रंजीत बजाज बहुत नो फिल्टर तरीके से बोलते हैं, सो ही हैज जस्ट स्पोकन हिज माइंड कि एक सिस्टम के साथ क्या खराबी है इंडियन फुटबॉल में, राइट? एंड यू नो, ये आप जब देखोगे पॉडकास्ट आपको रियलाइज होगा कि ये एक क्लब ओनर नहीं है, बट ही इज अ रिफॉर्मर एंड एक्सट्रीमली पैशनेट कि इंडिया क्वालिफाई कैसे करे वर्ल्ड कप. हम अपने पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू बहुत मीनिंगफुल काम कर रहे हैं. आपको जो सब्सक्राइब का बटन दिख रहा है यार, प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लो, हमें बड़ी मोटिवेशन मिलेगी. रंजीत बजाज ऑन द जर्नी विद सिमरप्रीत सिंह. पाजी, यू आर इन न्यूज़. आजकल खबरों में आप हो. रंजीत बजाज फ्रॉम दी मिनर्वा एकेडमी. अभी लियोनेल मेसी आता है, वो कहते हैं कि जी 150 करोड़ मेसी को मत दो, आप मेरे को दे दो, मैं इंडिया को फुटबॉल में क्वालिफाई करा दूंगा. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट पाजी?
Paji, because first of all, thank you so much for having me and for letting the whole world know कि मैं what I actually mean by that. इसका मतलब ये है कि अब 150 करोड़ जब मेसी को दोगे तो वो 150 करोड़ वो अर्जेंटीना लेके जाएगा और वो अपने जैसे 10 और मेसी बनाएगा, और वो इंडियंस के पैसों से मेसी बनाएगा. इंडियंस के पैसे से इंडियन मेसी बनना चाहिए. सो व्हाट वी आर लैकिंग इज ग्रास रूट्स, एंड वी have already proven to not only the country, to the world, that if Indians get the right training, the right ecosystem, the right infrastructure, coaching, nutrition, diet, recovery, sports science, we can be world beaters, we can be world champions. I'll give you an example. 10 साल पहला, if you were walking in the market and you've got a stick with a spear on it, the police will arrest you. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing with a spear in the market? Now that's known as a javelin. everyone knows what a javelin is. Before Neeraj Chopra, no one knew that. And now 10 Indians throw above 80 meters, yeah, because of one Neeraj Chopra. So the aim is to get one of them, not make 10, just make one. The first Mohammad Salah from India. The first player to break through somehow the kind of thing which has been formed that Indians can't play football, which is total, sorry to use the words, crap. We Indians can dominate in anything we put our mind to, as long as we get the best facilities, like any human being in the world can.
But qualify क्यों नहीं कर रहे football पे? And you've been very vocal about it.
Paji, sadi federation is so incompetent. We saw the movie Maidan, and we were thinking that some things have been really dramatized in it. It can't be this unprofessional. It is still like that. It's even worse. You go to the
You're
office.
talking about which association? Indian Football Association.
Yeah, so it's All India Football Federation. Because the ranking has gone down to a limit that we are 142 in the world.
Out of कितने हुआ?
Out of 196 in FIFA. वैसे 206 in FIFA, and वैसे UN से only 194 होंगे हैं, but FIFA दे अंदर 206 हैं. And we are 142. So
global ranking football.
Global
India.
ranking. And if you see, like I said, Curaçao, 160,000 की population है. Iceland population of 300,000 qualified. So there is something we are doing inherently wrong in the ecosystem. Like, our blood is not the problem. Boys have proved it before, like Danny Bath, who plays for Wolves in the Premier League. He's a Punjabi. Then you've got a boy called Sapreet Singh, who's playing for New Zealand in the World Cup right now. Bayern Munich खेल रहे हैं.
Ludhiana था नहीं वो?
Yeah, Ludhiana का मुंडा है. So the point is that our blood is not the problem. Problem is the ecosystem given to that blood.
नहीं, but sir, problem क्या है? All India Football Association. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ in the past. They've, I think,
See, the states, from the very beginning, our constitution is the problem. That's the only first time probably I've said that, because we are not Pakistan because of our constitution. Our constitution is so strong. But our constitution also gives some protection to the states for autonomy, whereas they decide on some subjects, which sports being one of them. That means they are not bound by any national laws, they can make their own laws. But because of that, since they've been using that, taking funds from the center, taking funds from the National Federation, but not being accountable to them. That means they don't have to have audits. They can spend the money anywhere they want. They can probably put their mama, chacha, taya as the president, as the secretary, as general secretary, and when they die, they can give it to their son. And when he dies, he can give it to their son. And I'm not kidding. There are people... Okay, Paji, I played for India under 19, okay, and one of the proudest moments of my life. And I was the first boy from Chandigarh to get that honor. तो जो हमारा जनरल सेक्रेटरी था वहाँ पे,
All India Football Association.
No, Chandigarh Football Association.
Chandigarh Football. That is affiliated to All India.
To affiliated, every state. Rakesh Bakshi. And that guy is still the general secretary. And it's been 30 years. I was under 19 when I played. And it's the same thing in Mumbai. Praful Patel is the president for the last 45 years. Here in Punjab, Samit Thapar is there for the last 45 years, 40 years. See, if your main job is football, be there for as long as you want. But if football is an afterthought in your CV, that's the last thing you mention. I'm a billionaire, I'm a factory owner, I'm this, I'm that, and oh, yeah, also I'm the president of the association. No. That's the job and livelihood of people. So you don't take football as a sport. For people who are doing sport as a profession, they live, their parents live, their children live because of the money they earn. The association is so incompetent that Indian football for the last 300 days is dead. There's been no football. Football nahi hoya. I-League, ISL, top league, second division, third division, kuch nahi hua.
And it is their responsibility to get it.
It is totally their responsibility. They're saying, oh, the contract ran out with MR, but this is a 15-year contract. Did they just tell you yesterday, oh, contract's going to run out tomorrow? They knew for 15 years the contract will run out on this date. In fact, the people they don't know, the contract even said that please start negotiating 6 months before, and the negotiation should end 3 months before, and they gave a timeline. They didn't do it.
किसके साथ contract था इनका?
With Reliance, FSDL. Now, I had already said that, see, people think I'm against Indian Super League. I'm not. I'm against a private company owning that. Why?
Reliance own करता है?
Reliance owned the top league. So, jidda we had IPL. Before that, there was something known as ICL. Subhash Chandra started with ZTV. What did BCCI do? They banned ZTV. And they banned Subhash Chandra, they banned ICL, they banned every player who played there. because competition. They started their own IPL.
Kapil
In
Dev and all were
2000,
also part, na?
2005,
Yeah.
BCCI and AIFF had same 40 crores in their account. And right now AIFF has 2 crores probably and BCCI तो आपको पता ही है. Why? Because all the money which has been made through IPL had to be put back into Indian cricket. वो घर नहीं लेके जा सकते. Because the federation owns the league. यहाँ पे top league is owned by some private body. So the league will become big one day. When the league becomes big, you really think that private company has made so many losses so that one day when the money is made, they will invest it back into Indian football or take it home. So when for example, Saudi Arabia में you have Ronaldo. उन्होंने 1 महीने के लिए अपनी लीग बंद कर दी. क्यों? एशियन कप आ रहा था. एशियन कप के थ्रू यू क्वालिफाई फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप. So they told Ronaldo, we'll pay you for 1 month. Ronaldo, Benzema and millions of thousands of others. We are willing to pay you 1 month's salary, but we can't have the league right now. It's break because we want to prepare our national team for Asian Cup because we can qualify for the World Cup, which they did. और हमने क्या किया? Because private league थी, उनको मैटर करता था कि उनका क्रिकेट के भी पैसे दिए हुए थे उन्होंने सेम चैनल ने. So because of that, they said you can have to finish by then. So that means there is no time off for the national team. So the national team arrived in Calcutta after our opponent arrived at our home match, Afghanistan. And we lost to Afghanistan. And the same thing happened when we went away because they don't give us any time with the national team because they own the league. The same thing, they also own the broadcaster. 90% of revenue from all leagues is from the broadcast revenue, even in cricket. But when the broadcaster owns the league, Star Sports and everything else, then for the last 15 years there's been no tender of the rights.
ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन को सर चलो मान ली बात कि 40 साल वो सेम बंदे हैं, करप्शन है, रेड टेप है, सारा कुछ मान लेते हैं कि
नहीं, अब नहीं है.
अब क्या नहीं है मतलब? What do you mean?
I'll tell you. So what has happened now is we have fought for this for the last 12 years in the Supreme Court. I had filed a petition to take Praful Patel out because he'd overstayed his elections in AIFF. Then the current General Secretary was also taken out by me, again another petition. Why? Because if you break, see, मैंने अगर अपनी लाइफ डिवोट की है तो मैं जितनी मर्जी मेहनत कर लूँ, अगर तुमने ऊपर बांट के गांधी पाना है तो मैं अपनी लाइफ तो वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ फिर. Because end of the day, Minerva is not going to play the World Cup, it's going to be India. India will only play the World Cup if you do justice with the boys I give you. So when I send them the boys, when the boys come back to me after 2 months, they have 50% of the player. So should I stop sending for the national team? But no, that's what my whole point is, that I have to produce players for the national team. So produce 248 players, 248 internationals for the national team in the last 10 years in our existence, since we were established. Why is that a great number? Because it's more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together on one side. And I'm not happy about it. Anyone would be jumping with joy. Okay, oh my God, I'm dominating the market. But the point is, that means there's only me who's doing youth development. Where is everyone else? Why does Barcelona produce Messi or Yamal now? Because they have a great academy. They have great coaches. They have a lot of money. They have infrastructure. They have everything. That's why they produce the best players. The clubs in my country who are owned by billionaires, who have the most money, who have the most coaches, the best infrastructure, they produce no players. Why? Because spending 4 crore rupees on their academy, they rather spend 4 crores on one player's salary from abroad because they want to win the title that year. They don't care about their country. Then you say, Sunil Chhetri कहाँ से आएगा, कहाँ से आएगा? आप कौन से ISL क्लब में इंडियन स्ट्राइकर खिलाते हो? एक नाम बता दो. आप इंडियन स्ट्राइकर खिलाते नहीं हो, फिर कहते हो सुनील छेत्री कहाँ से आएगा? और ये गलती किसकी है? एसोसिएशन की. क्यों? इन्होंने किसको अलाउ किया? प्राइवेट लीग ने क्या किया? 6 फॉरनर कर दिए. 6 फॉरनर करोगे तो 2 स्ट्राइकर, 2 मिडफील्डर, 2 सेंटर बैक गए. क्योंकि मैं कोच होता तो मैं भी वही लेता. If I have the money, I'll get the best. That means Indian strikers in the league play as either wingers or wing backs or full backs. And then you expect them to go and score in international matches when they've never played there. Like my boy Manveer Singh, मोहन बगान में खेलता है. He used to be India's top striker. मैंने जैसे ही मोहन बगान में भेजा, उसके बाद उसको बना दिया wing back, which is basically half defender, half going up, and just his job is to go and give crosses. इंडियन टीम में स्ट्राइकर नहीं है तो उसको स्ट्राइकर डालते हैं, कहते हैं मनवीर सिंह को गोल नहीं मारने आते, वो बेचारा कैसे गोल मारेगा? So the problem is inherent with the system. Okay, what do other leagues do? They do something known as even the English Premier League, something known as a homegrown player. That means 20% of your team has to be from your own academy. Has to be. Now, moment you say that, they will have to invest in their academy. It's so simple. I mean, you have to have one under 19 boy starting and one under 23 boy starting in every match. That means there has to be one under 19 on the bench and one under 23 on the bench. मतलब 4 बच्चों को एक टीम में हर मैच में गेम टाइम मिलेगा. इसका मतलब अगर 15 टीम की लीग हुई, 60 बच्चे, 30 ऑफ अंडर 19, 30 ऑफ अंडर 23 विल रेगुलर गेम टाइम. आपकी अंडर 19 अंडर 23 टीम बन गई है. It's not rocket science. I'm not reinventing the wheel.
बट पाजी मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि जब सिस्टम में खराबी है, फुटबॉल आप बोल रहे हो ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन में खराबी है, आप इतना पब्लिकली प्रफुल्ल पटेल बाकियों के बारे में बोल रहे हो,
कल्याण चौबे,
हाँ आपको कई बार उन्होंने बैन भी कर दिया, बहुत बार आपको बैन कर दिया,
बैन फाइन सब कुछ करा है
ना, आपको इन्होंने बैन कर दिया. बट आप एक फुटबॉल एकेडमी मिनर्वा जैसे आप बोल रहे हो 200+ प्लेयर्स निकाल ले, बट आपको सिस्टम के साथ काम भी तो करना है ना.
नहीं. सो सी एक होता है कि यू मस्ट बी पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम. व्हाई आरंट यू फाइटिंग फॉर इलेक्शंस? सी आई बिलीव यू इफ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम देन यू आर द सिस्टम. हाउ कैन यू चेंज द सिस्टम? I am totally the opposite. I do not believe that you can actually change the system once you're inside, unless you're a dictator or you have complete backing of everybody. इंडिया में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इलेक्शन होती है, इलेक्शन में क्या होता है? आपको प्रॉमिस करने पड़ते हैं, और वो बंदा हूं नहीं मैं जो प्रॉमिस करके अपनी गेम के साथ गद्दारी कर लूंगा. आई कांट डू दैट. दिस गेम हैज गिवन मी एवरीथिंग.
आपको अगर हेड बना देते हैं फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन का, क्या करोगे आप? 3 चीजें इमीडिएटली क्या कर दोगे?
फर्स्ट आई रिजाइन. I don't want to be head of this association.
चलो आप
unless and until sports law आ रहा है अब, जिसके लिए हम लड़े हैं. Sports law will make it mandatory for all associations to follow the constitution, state associations to follow the constitution of the national federation. उससे game changer है भाई. The whole sports scene will change.
क्या चेंज होगा?
चेंज ये होएगा कि उनको Societies Act में रजिस्टर्ड है. If you're not registered in the Societies Act, you can't vote. Because of that, you'd have to have an audit every year. That means you can be removed. If you have false elections, you can be removed. Everything comes under the ambit of being transparent. फिर 2019-20 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो मैंने केस किया था, वहीं से राहुल मेहरा जी ने केस किया था स्पोर्ट्स लॉ पे. फिर एक और जो उनकी पिटिशन थी, उसी से there was a COA formed, Committee of Administrators, where Supreme Court Judge Justice Dave was put. Qureshi साहब who was Chief Election Commissioner थे पहले, he was put. Bhaskar Ganguly, ex-captain of India. They put me along with Novi Kapadia, who's a great journalist, to make the new constitution of the federation. I have helped write the new constitution of the federation.
Federation as in जो
All India Football Federation, जो अब अप्लाई हुई है अभी.
कौन है प्रेसिडेंट? कौन है अभी?
अब कल्याण चौबे है प्रेसिडेंट. Who used to be, he says I'm an India footballer, but he's never played in international in his life. And that's public record. तो वो बंदा, he started off with a झूठ.
अब पब्लिकली क्यों बोलते हो ऐसे? Why do you say publicly or
see bhai, if you live in a glass house, you should never throw stones at others. I live in a bulletproof bunker. My life is matter of public record. जो भी मैंने गलत लाइफ में किया है अपने पास्ट में, प्रेजेंट में, मैं ओपनली बोलता हूँ. I start with that. मैं कहा आगे बात करो. Why? Because I am who I am because of who I was. I've never met a strong person with an easy past. And I have made all the mistakes in my life, and that's why I'm living the life like this, the right way, because I can sleep very peacefully at night. And till date, I make allegations every single day. And I make allegations against the biggest people. I've never been sued for defamation. Why? I'm not a billionaire. I don't have much power. ये नहीं है कि मैं कर दूंगा, कुछ कर दूंगा. Nothing. Why? Because truth is the most powerful weapon in the world. Even in a country where you think, oh my God, everything is dead. Even जहाँ dictators होते हैं ना, वहाँ भी वो जो truth बोलता है उसको ही मारते हैं. That is so powerful.
आपका जो विजन है, आपने पब्लिकली बोला हुआ है कि यार इंडिया को एक दिन क्वालिफाई कराना है फीफा वर्ल्ड कप, एंड आपने टारगेट 2034 का बोला हुआ है ना? कैसे करोगे? आज 2026 है, 140 रैंकिंग है, कैसे वो क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे क्वालिफाई करेगी इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप के लिए?
ये एक तो होता ना कि मेरा एम है. So aim without a plan is a wish. वो wish होती है मेरी. Aim तब होता है if you have accountable and trackable and tickable goals leading to कि next जो तुमने सांस लेनी है वो कैसी होनी चाहिए if you want to reach the World Cup in 2034. So I have in 2020 devoted, see, पहले तो था जब आते हो नए फुटबॉल में 2015 में कि यार वी वांट टू प्रूव टू इंडिया दैट वी आर द बेस्ट. सो सारे टाइटल जीत लिए विद इन 3 years विद गॉड्स ग्रेस. We won. We are still the only Indian club, not only to win every title there is in Indian football, but also senior and junior, but Minerva,
yeah.
but also to hold them at the same time. Matlab senior, under 13, 15, 18, national champions, same time. And that time the I-League used to be the top league, where we beat Mohun Bagan, East Bengal in front of 80,000 people in Calcutta. In 1 week we beat them both. We won the I-League. We brought the I-League back to Punjab after 21 years, GST के बाद, the first club. So then titles सारे जीत लिए. Then we thought कि नहीं यार, it's bigger than title. It's about, because see, when you win a title, only your fans, club's fans, or the parents of the kids, or maybe your parents, my parents, or coaches or staff gets happy. But when India wins, na 1.5 billion people get happy. So tu ki karna? You want to make your puny 2,000, 5,000 or 500 people happy, or do you want to make 1.5 billion people happy? So the choice was very simple. Why? Because when you enter my academy, the first thing you see is the 100-foot tall pole with a 60 by 30-foot flag, Indian national flag. Because Minerva Academy, Colonel Deol, my grandfather established it in 1955. Before sports, which is my love and passion, football, we've always been armed forces. So 1 in 4 in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force is from Minerva Academy. 40,000 officers in 1955. My biggest achievement is not national, international titles and all the other things you see. That's not my title. My biggest achievement is 4,000 of my students are right now currently in the armed forces as officers serving. My students. That is my biggest achievement. ये सारा कुछ तो बाकी बातें हैं. ये चीजें passion में आ जाता है. This is my love. My country is my love. So that's where the patriotism and the utter contempt for Goras comes in from. Okay, because see, I'll tell you, 50,000 people ruled over India for 400 years. They could have only done that over crores of people by making them believe that they're somehow better than us. It was ingrained in us. That is why for the first 40 years of our independence, nothing happened in our country, because our grandparents were still ingrained with that. The same people, that we are not as good as them, so why compete with them? Then it was our parents who were still ingrained. Why? Because they were brought up by the people who were ingrained with that. Still the belief was not almost, चल अपने बच्चे को बनाएंगे. हमारी generation और हमारी अगली generation, we say, who the hell are you? We're going to come eat you in your own place. So my aim was, I'm going to go dominate Europe in their game, in their land. That is like Sweden or Denmark or Finland saying कि हम इंडिया में जाके उनकी बेस्ट टीम्स को क्रिकेट में हराएंगे. ये किया मैंने. और ये बोल के किया. जाने से पहले मैंने एम लगाया था कि ये मैं करूंगा. So ticketifiable goals थे कि when I went to under 12, we have to go to MENA Cup, which is the biggest competition in Asia. No Indian teams won that. We went and won that. We beat Barcelona 5-0. Nobody talked about it in India.
क्यों नहीं कर रहे बात?
ये तो आप उनसे बात करो. Then because maybe कि 12 साल के हैं, चलो 11 साल, under 12 11 साल के हैं, ये तुक्का लग गया. Maybe whatever. Then we went next year to the World Youth Cup in Sweden. We beat Brazil, and this team is the one जिसका इस साल Kaka's son was playing there, and we beat them in the final, and they were champions for the last 3 years there. No Indian team in 50 years had won that. Then people little bit started talking about us. Then it was this year. So I said, ये बात नहीं बनी. अभी भी people are not taking notice. जाने से पहले हमने बोला, how do I know? Google किया, world's 5 biggest youth tournaments. So to top 4 आए was in Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Norway. अब the only thing was that, I selecting one of them or 2 of them is the same as 4 of them, because हम तो Indians हैं भाई, हम देखते हैं कि पैसे कितने लगेंगे, ये बताओ भाई साहब. तो टिकट थी सबसे महंगी और पास में थे, and they made it possible that people can actually play from one tournament to the other. And this was probably the second time they've done it in a way that it's been going on for 50 years, all these tournaments. They're the biggest. Biggest का मतलब है, sir, you have 30,000 players from 120 countries participating there. 30,000 players, boys and girls from age groups of under 11 to under 18. You go to Sweden, you see 200 fields in one, मतलब 100 fields here, 100 fields here. So when I'm walking, so I'll send you photos, you can put it while we're talking. When you're walking, it takes me 1 hour 30 minutes to walk from one side to the other side when I just walk on the side of the fields. 220 fields मेरे पूरे country में नहीं है. वहाँ पे एक city of Sweden में Gothenburg, which is not even the biggest city, उसमें है. So why won't they do well? They'll do very well. Now when we went there, I knew that how do you get better with someone? I can't compete with them. I have to compete with myself, but do it on a daily basis. So like people say that you जो motivation होती है आपकी, you're very good. Motivation is only for some time, bhai. Motivation doesn't work. When you have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning every single day, when you slept only 2 hours, motivation doesn't work. Discipline works. That is where the armed forces works in. We are the special forces manual, worked on my under 14 boys. जो बाहर मैं नहीं कर सकता था बिकॉज प्रॉबली वो मुझे कह देते कि तू टॉर्चर कर रहा है बच्चों को. बट इट वॉज नॉट टॉर्चर, इट वॉज जस्ट बेसिकली मेकिंग देम सो रेजिलियंट टू एक्सरसाइज एंड गेटिंग देम सो फिट, सो एक्सट्रीमली फिट दैट द लेवल्स ऑफ द यो टेस्ट जो आजकल आप क्रिकेट में कहते हो कि 17 and 18 is good. My boys were an average of 20.4, which is unbelievable. So that is why they went in there. It was not a fluke. I predicted I'm going to win all 4. I wasn't able to do that. I won 3. One final I lost. और पहला final था I lost by because the first time these boys had ever played in front of 5,000 people in a huge stadium, pressure, and they just didn't play. उसके बाद nothing, and that was the 4th biggest tournament. Then we went to the biggest, 2nd and 3rd, we won them all. And we won them with world records. 50 years and no team had beaten those teams with such a record.
Minerva FC winning.
Minerva Academy, not Delhi, Minerva Academy, Chandigarh Mohali. Minerva Academy. But Minerva Academy is a national academy like our Armed Forces Academy. So in my team, I have boys from Jharkhand. I have mostly boys from Manipur, but Punjab, and we've got from Haryana, we've got from Chhattisgarh, we've got even from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So we've got a mix, and these boys were selected from all over India. 200 of them, they've been given scholarship by me, 100%, for 10 years. Khana, pina, rehna, education, everything taken care of. Because problem ये होती थी इंडिया में कि अगर तुम प्लेयर को स्पोर्ट्स हॉस्टल से निकाल दो तो वो गया, अनपढ़ है, या तो स्पोर्ट्स बनेगा या अनपढ़ है, लाइफ रूइंड है. यहाँ पे नहीं है. They'll be as good as any convent-educated boy who passes out from, like we did, from our schools. Because see, what has happened, that means they've not lost out on anything in life. If they become a footballer, great. If they don't, still great. They are equal to anyone.
तो सर फिर blueprint कैसे है? इंडिया कैसे qualify करेगा?
Blueprint ये है कि I wish I could be, like you said, president. I would love to be president if I'm given the job of not attending meetings and actually doing football work. That is my forte. President banna, because 65, 70, when you have no other effort to put there on the field. Right now, my job is on the field because that's where I can make the maximum impact. Now, my job is to do what? To make so many players who are going to be playing in Europe right now that they'll have to select them. And when they select those boys, they will qualify. So see, we can't just automatically qualify for the World Cup unless our under 23 does well preceding batch in the Asian. They will not just do well unless when they are 19 they have done well. They will not do well until the 16s have done well when they were 16. So it's not a egg which came first, the murgi or the egg. It is damn well the grassroots development comes first, not the seniors. You can't have great seniors without having great juniors. So the aim is the under 16s to be in the top 4 in Asia. Who's done that? Uzbekistan. They won the under 23 and the under 19 and they've qualified for the World Cup. So it's not rocket science, bhai. And we don't have to compete. See, that's the point. To get to the World Cup, we don't have to compete with the world. We have to compete with Asians.
So AFC जो championship
top 8 में आना है.
Top 8 में आना. Out of how many people play?
32, 35.
32 में से. And last time क्या है? India का rank था?
अभी जब तक कल्याण चौबे नहीं आए थे हम 10वीं 11वीं में थे when Igor Stimac was here. We were so close. We are on now 18th or maybe 20th. तो अगर हम 64 का भी वर्ल्ड कप हुआ तब भी नहीं क्वालिफाई करेंगे.
तो अब AFC कब है? मतलब जो 2034 का हुआ 2032 में होगा ना?
या so 32 इसका मतलब 32 में तो AFC होगा ना. तो क्वालिफाई तो
करने
30 को क्वालिफाई करना पड़ेगा ना. तो इसका मतलब उनके लिए जो 23 वाली टीम है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी पड़ेगी 28 में ना.
28
इसका मतलब जो 21 वाली टीम है वो होनी पड़ेगी 26 में ना.
Above,
इसका
yeah.
मतलब अभी 18-19 year olds वाले जो हैं, along with obviously the youngsters which I have 15-16s, they have to be brought in.
तो सारे मिनर्वा एफसी के थोड़ा हो जाएंगे सर, और भी तो इंडिया के बंदे आने पड़ेंगे ना
वही
साथ
तो
में.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कौन कर रहा है ट्रेनिंग उनकी? उनको कहाँ खिला रहे हैं आई लीग में, जहाँ पे मैं 15-15 20-20 गोल मारता हूँ. इसीलिए मैंने अपनी सेकंड या थर्ड टीम खिलाता हूँ मैं अब नेशनल लीग्स में. Why? Because there's no point of beating somebody 20-30 goals, because neither you are learning. I believe you learn much more from losses than you from victories. But you don't learn anything especially from beating anyone 20 or 30. That means there's no competition. So I'd rather take my boys out abroad and get them there. So who else is doing that? Reliance tried doing that right now. Look at the money they have. Reliance Foundation went to the same tournaments as us, like Meena Cup. वहाँ पे they got thrashed. They went to, right now we've just won this cup called the Borneo Cup in Indonesia 2 months ago. They were there. We beat Aspire Academy while we were there, by the way. Aspire Academy is Qatar's royal family's best academy in the world. So see, what I want is, what I would want means, what I would think is my dream come true, is that there are just 10 centers all over India which have a residential facility for over 300 boys who are taken on only merit from all over India. And the dream can come true. You just need 10 centers with 300 people each.
कैसे बनेंगे सर?
मैंने जाके स्काउटिंग की है. मेरे जो लड़के 200 सेलेक्ट किए हैं मैंने, कितने लाख में से किए हैं? आपको क्या लगता है? वो 200 लड़के कितनी देर कितने लाखों में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं? जैसे कुरासाओ की पॉपुलेशन बताई थी 1,60,000 है. मैंने 200 लड़के सेलेक्ट किए हैं, बट वो भी जो एज ग्रुप है सिर्फ सेलेक्ट की है फ्रॉम द एजेस ऑफ 7 onwards to the ages of 16. I'm not even taken 17 age. So 7 to 16, 200 from 4.5 lakh, 4.5 lakh boys gave the trials.
Across
So,
India to
across India.
10 centers which you're talking about.
No, I have gone to 18 states.
18 states.
Each state I've gone to at least 10 districts minimum.
These trials are for to qualify for Minerva, your club.
Yes.
Your
Not
academy.
for my club, for my 100% scholarship program. Nobody gives scholarship 100% for kids who are at 7. They give scholarships to people who have to play in the I-League at 13, 14, 15.
yeah.
It's too late.
So what I'm understanding, and मेरे को थोड़ा मेरे को फुटबॉल नहीं समझ आती, आपसे समझ रहा हूँ, एंड यू नो द काइंड ऑफ, बिकॉज आप पब्लिकली बहुत चीज़ें बोल रहे हो, राइट? मेसी का जो हुआ कैलकाटा में, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो, राइट? आपकी जो हेडलाइन आई कि यार 150 करोड़ मेरे को दे दो, मैं इंडिया को क्वालिफाई.
और बाय द वे ये मैंने अभी नहीं बोला था,
काफी देर से बोल
ये
रहा
6 महीने पहले बोला था, when I didn't even know Messi is going to come and I'm going to meet him. I said it when the Kerala government was going to spend 150 crores. वो तो कभी नहीं खर्च करने चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो टैक्स पेयर मनी है यार. तुमने अपने टैक्स पेयर्स पे कितना खर्च किया फुटबॉल पे? अपने टैक्स पेयर पे तुम 5 रुपए नहीं खर्च करते मेसी को बुलाने के लिए. टैक्स पेयर हमारा पैसा है वो, तुम उस पर खर्च कर रहे हो. हाउ डेयर यू? यहाँ पे why I was okay with this tour? Some rich guys called him. It's his money, man. And some rich people are watching him. It's their money, man. It's their wish. It's the capital economy. And if somebody wants to invite me and then give me an honor, I would love to go.
But you were there, ना? Delhi में.
If they want to call me and give me honor, I would love it.
आपको किस चीज़ का ऑनर मिला वहाँ पे?
Because we won. So we won the Norway Cup and the Gothia Cup World Youth Championship. तो हमने फाइनल में एक अर्जेंटीना की टीम को हराया था जो उनकी नेशनल चैंपियन थी 4-0.
Correct.
तो उनको पता था ये बात. So when we told them that they were given choices कि तुम ये कर सकते हो, ये कर सकते हो, उसमें सी है. So he specially said no, I would like to see these boys.
अच्छा, you were there in the center.
Yeah.
आपकी
And
center
then
में
can you believe I even talked? You can put that video. I was talking to him. So उसको समझ नहीं आ रही थी because he speaks Spanish. So I was talking to him and immediately Suarez intervened and he was trying to explain to him what I was saying. So I was saying, you played this tournament called MIG Cup in 2001 and 2003. For Barcelona you played. You were 11-12.
आप लोग भी जा रहे हो अगले साल?
मैंने कहा you played. So he says, yeah, see. मैं कहा these boys are going to go play MIG Cup this year. Oh, Bruno, मतलब he said something like, साथ वाले में बताया, Bruno, difficult, something, basically it's very difficult, very tough. So I said, okay. So, people from like the Norway embassy, they are calling us, the Indian embassy in Norway, they have called us with my entire team to felicitate us. Because they said that the people in Norway have said that they've never seen a team play like this ever in the history of Norway Cup, which is going on for 50 years. They've had 1 million participants.
ये जो टीम आप लेके गए थे,
ये जो टीम लेके गया
ये कौन
था,
सा अंडर 14 है ना?
ये अंडर 15 थी,
Under 15,
B14 कहते हैं,
हाँ,
B14 कहते हैं, सो
correct.
मतलब 14 के हैं वो, और वो अंडर 15 है. आई गिव अनदर एग्जांपल, वहां पे एक टीम आती है कॉल मकाटी एफसी, जो 42 ईयर्स से
कहाँ पे?
इन गोथिया वर्ल्ड यूथ
गोथिया,
कप,
okay.
तो स्वीडन में 42 ईयर्स से आ रही है, फिलीपींस की टीम है. तो उसका पहले बाप लेके आता था, उसका बेटा जो ओनर है वो लेके आता, कहता कि मैं 42 ईयर्स से मी एंड माय फादर कमिंग हियर, वी हैव नेवर सीन अ टीम प्ले लाइक दिस एवर. I'll send you again, you can play the footages. We took interviews from the Goras there immediately after we beat them. What do you feel about this team?
Did you like our gameplay?
Yeah, I like very much. It's very fast and good.
After we beaten them 20-0, 15-0, 20-0, शक्लें बनी होती है, पर उनको बोलना पड़ता है. We've never seen a team like this. We've never seen a team like this. And I am not a genius. I have not done anything great. Anyone can do it. Because hard work is a bloody choice. Effort is a bloody choice. Discipline is a bloody choice. So success is a bloody choice. Simple. Doesn't depend on your caste, color, creed, how rich or poor you are. If somebody's got talent, doesn't matter you work harder than the talent. He works 4 hours, you work 8 hours. You'll beat the talent.
So मैं आपके जो समझाऊं, ब्लूप्रिंट समझाऊं, जो 2034 का गोल है आपका कि इंडिया को क्वालिफाई कराना है वर्ल्ड कप के ना, आप ये कह रहे हो कि यार जो मेरी एकेडमी है, जो मेरा FCA मिनर्वा, इसमें से मेरे को ना तगड़े 10 से 20 बंदे तगड़े बनाने हैं, जो आज के दिन में लेट से कोई 8, 10, 12, 13 साल की आसपास है, इनको मेरे को इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग खिलाना है या जर्मन लीग, जैसे ये लोग हो गए
Exactly.
है ना,
Exactly.
इनको वहां खिलाना है जाके.
Yes.
इतना ट्रेन करना है इनको,
Yes.
इतनी ट्रेनिंग देनी है.
और खिलाना नहीं है, वो मैं नहीं खिला सकता. वो क्या होएगा कि वो 16 या 17 साल की उम्र में सिलेक्ट होंगे.
वो कैसे सिलेक्ट होंगे बच्चे?
वो जब मैं इन टूर्नामेंट्स में जाऊंगा,
ये जो
मिक कप,
Mick Cup
गोथिया
है.
कप, all the scouts come and see.
वो
So who
देखते
are the
हैं.
people who played in these tournaments before? For example, ये तो मैंने मेसी, यमाल वगैरह बता दिया है. मिक कप में तो इस बारी 49 players who are playing in the World Cup have played in the Mick Cup before. 9 of the 18 Spanish players have played in the Mick Cup before, जो स्पेन क्वालिफाई की है. So those people should go to the Mick Cup, MIC, Mediterranean International Cup
कहाँ होता है?
site.
This is in
Costa Brava, Spain. So, the point was that when you go there, you are so well prepared that you are able to take on the world. Now, I would say I was very well prepared for the last one, but right now we have no clue what is going to happen, because right now by this time Indian leagues have finished. Now that means we will not be able to play in the Indian league because हमारी junior league ही नहीं शुरू हुई अंडर 16 की.
तो प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो रही.
हाँ, तो हमारी कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं, कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं. हम पिछली बार 5 बार अंडर 15 लीग हुई है, हम 5 बार फाइनल पहुंचे हैं, 4 टाइटल है हमारे. We have not had any training at all. I mean, training है, practice, but game time नहीं है.
और ये this cup, Mick Cup is when?
In April. Now.
So okay. So again to that point कि so you're
So
saying
plan.
हाँ,
Plan क्या
मतलब
करना है
प्लान
इसका?
तो यही है ना कि वहां लेके जाना है.
So
मान लो वहां से 2 बच्चे भी सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, किसी को
इब्राहिमोविच, पेरलो, एलन शेरर, ज़ाबी अलोंसो, ये वो वाले मिक कप नहीं है, ये खेले हैं गोथिया कप, नॉर्वे कप, हालांड, ये वगैरह सारे नॉर्वे कप, हालांड, they've grown up playing those cups. Then from small academies they go on to big clubs, then they play something like the Mick Cup. From now these boys can see, suppose I'm just giving an example, we are playing against Liverpool or Manchester United, मतलब we means under 15s against the under 15s or 16s whatever, and हमारा एक लड़का does really well and he scores 3 against them. So why won't they take him in their academy when it's not going to cost them anything? There's no transfer fee. Under 16s you don't pay, under 18s you don't pay anything in Europe. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लॉस है, बिकॉज अगर मैं 18 साल से उसको यहाँ रोक लूंगा, मेरा 1 करोड़ का प्लेयर बिकेगा गारंटीड. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लॉस है.
बट उसका एक्सपोजर कम हो जाएगा.
बट उसका एक्सपोजर का खत्म हो जाएगा. प्लेयर यहाँ पे जाके बेंच पे बैठा देंगे उसको. वो ले लेते हैं प्लेयर, ISL वाले बेंच पे बैठा देते हैं, 2 साल बेंच पे बैठा के रखते हैं. द प्लेयर फिनिशेस. Abroad at 16, Lamine Yamal used to get game time. Dauman is getting game time right now. At 15, he's playing for England. The youngest scorer ever in the AFC Champions League is my boy, Toiba Singh, who's now playing in the ISL. I played him at 15 in the Champions League. Seniors, he scored. Not because I was great, because someone played a 15-year-old, yaar. It's got the football doesn't know your age. It's just your touch which matters in your things. That's what I'm saying. ये जो policies बनाई हुई around this game, that you need this to become a footballer, you need this inherent, you need talent, you need this. No, you don't. You don't need to be big. You can be very small. The best players in the world are very small. वो Indians can never be big. वो हमारा size नहीं है. मेसी का बड़ा size है यार. मैराडोना का बड़ा size था. ज़ाबी अलोंसो का बड़ा size है. ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस का बड़ा size है. किसी का size नहीं है. असली फुटबॉलर छोटे वाले होते हैं. Low center of gravity तेंदुलकर जैसे. And yes, if you're big. So do you need to have a striker to even win the World Cup? No. Man City won the Premier League without a striker by playing positional play. Their centre backs were 5'8". Pep Guardiola did that just by making sure that they're not physically fighting. So what do you think Japan did? Japan had 100-year vision, bhai. 100-year plan.
कब बनाया था उन्होंने?
30 साल पहले. और 30 साल में they are there where they were supposed to be in the year 90. That means just one step or two steps away from winning the World Cup. And the plan is available. I'll send it to you. You can put it up. और उसको देख के इन्होंने बनाया था विजन 2047. विजन तो बना लिया, बट उसमें ये हो कि फुटबॉल ही बंद करा दिया. So what, like you said, what I need, Minerva is, see, my life's aim is this. That's like, मैंने इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप पहुंचाना है, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. There's no problem. See, 90% is manifestation. If I don't believe it, how the hell will my boys believe it and my country believe it? I believe it 100%. I will make them reach it. अब जैसे ही करना है, दिन रात लगाना है, और I'll die trying, doing that. But I need help. I need help from my countrymen. I made so Minerva is registered as a non-profit company, Section 8 company. I need people to come and adopt these boys, because then I'll be able to take 200 more and 200 more, and I'll be able to give them better facilities. Because right now it's very, very difficult with the Indian football scene to make money to छोड़ो, to even survive.
But you are basically betting कि ये बच्चे जो मेरे
मेरे फिक्स डिपॉजिट है ये मेरे एफडी हैं. देखना जिस दिन जुटेंगे एफडी है मेरे. मैं अपनी बीवी को यही बोलता हूँ. So एफडी है.
बेसिकली जब ये वो ले कप खेलेंगे वहाँ पे और सेइंग कि वहाँ पे कोई स्काउट वगैरह होंगे, वो उनको कोई मैन सिटी में ले जाएगा या आर्सेनल में ले जाएगा या और कोई भी जो बड़े क्लब में लेके
10 निकल गए मेरे. 10 निकल गए. 2 पाउंड एक चाहिए, 2 भी नहीं, एक. क्यों
एक? क्या मतलब?
एक प्लेयर निकलना सिर्फ.
कहाँ पे?
कहीं पे भी बड़े क्लब में एक. क्यों? 83 वर्ल्ड कप एक था.
या
नीरज चोपड़ा एक था. अभिनव बिंद्रा एक था. वी नीड वन टू ब्रेक थ्रू.
एक कर गया
द होल कंट्री बिलीव्स यार. सिंपल.
एक अगर कर गया, सो ये लोग जब इंडिया आएंगे तो वो बंदे 10-11 बंदों की टीम करके इंडिया क्वालिफाई करेगा एफसी.
सी व्हेन दे कम बैक, that Hamza Chaudhary जो इंग्लैंड से, because they've got this passport, double passport, Bangladesh, they brought this guy who plays in the English Premier League, Bangladeshi blood, but born there, brought up there, doing everything there. तो एक बंदे ने उनकी रैंकिंग 20 स्पॉट्स पे ऊपर कर दी है. Imagine if we actually have 10 people playing in that way, we will reach. And we don't need 10 spots in the world. We just need to be in the top 8 in Asia, man. So you have to plan properly for everything. Your rankings have to be planned. That is why I'm against any league which does not place your national team first. National team has to come first. Federation's only job is national team.
तो पाजी मिनर्वा में क्या ऐसा कर रहे हो कि जो इतने टाइटल आप जीत रहे हो, इतना आप में
armed forces ethos. We don't care about results.
मुझे एक बात बताओ.
Process भाई. Process follow करना है. No. So if हमारा process, जैसे SOPs होते हैं ना, हमारा process है. Process follow करो. Do not care about the results. Because if the process are right, the results will automatically follow. So if you're not getting results, then there's something wrong with the process. You tweak the process. Don't even think about the results. The result is the ultimate thing. See, Olympics comes, they say once in 4 years. No, it doesn't. It's every day. Only the last day of that Olympics comes. So it depends on what you've done every single day leading up to the Olympics, what you're going to do that day. वो तो सिर्फ प्रोसेस है, वो तो खत्म हो चुका है. रिजल्ट तुम्हारा डिसाइड हो चुका है, तुमने करना अच्छा
करना. कौन सी जगह में अकेडमी है?
सेक्टर 120 मोहाली, which used to be दाऊं साहब पहले. दाऊं साहब गुरुद्वारे के एकदम साथ में. We've got farmland of my grandfather.
कितनी जगह है सर?
So 13 acres.
13 acres.
Yes, and
so, थोड़ा बताओ मिनर्वा आपके उसका.
Entire school there. That means the school is only for these football boys. So we have around 450 boys and staff living, eating, staying on campus. And there are 4 FIFA football approved fields. We have a 5,000 square foot indoor gym plus a rehab center, plus a hydrotherapy pool, plus we have 18 classrooms for the kids to study, plus we have auditorium for them to have matches, we have dressing rooms, we have everything, mess, everything is in-house. उनको बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता. उससे क्या फायदा है?
टोटल कितने? 450.
450 kids plus staff है उसके बाद, plus staff.
And these are all paid by you.
Yeah, no, 250 are paid by me.
Okay.
जो बाकी 200 हैं, they are paid kids who can afford. They do the same training, but they pay for it.
क्या खर्चा है?
So it's around 5.5 lakhs
Per annum.
per annum.
Per annum. So
But
every
that is food, stay, education, खाना पीना, रहना, pool, gym, physiotherapy, sports psychologist, nutritionist. All are in-house. 4 sports psychologists, 3 nutritionists in-house. 4 massage therapists, strength and conditioning coaches, 47 coaches I have. Other than the people I mentioned, उसके अलावा 47 football coaches हैं. जो मेरे best coaches हैं, which is the highest pro license and A license coaches, they work with my youngest boys. And India में क्या करते हैं? जो सबसे interns होते हैं coach, उनको लगाते हैं बच्चों को जाके वो football खिलाते हैं, fun कराते हैं. Oh bloody hell, you are ruining them. You're going to teach them bad habits which I will never be able to get rid of. तो 14 साल में इसीलिए जो मेरे पास आते हैं, I can't do anything with them. I can, but amount of time I have to spend with them is much more. For example, with a 6-year-old, I can make him a lefty to a righty as good within 6 months of intense training. With you, I can't. I'll never be as perfect. If you're righty, I can never make you lefty within 6 months.
450 people, 250 full scholarship that you are paying, right?
Yes.
And बाकी जो 200 is every student pays about 5.5
Yes.
lakh rupees and everything is included, right?
Yes.
साल का.
Yes.
And minimum क्या time है बच्चे जो academy join कर सकते हैं? मतलब 450 तो आपकी max capacity
नहीं,
है.
that is 450 means that is for जो है हमारे camps भी होते हैं.
हाँ, correct,
So you can come for 1 month camp, it costs you around 30,000. And so it's around, in 1,000 rupees including GST, GST. So you get food, stay, training twice a day, morning, evening, twice a day training करते हैं हम. We don't believe in this 3 times, 4 times a week. Twice a day, 6 times a week. So we do 12 sessions a week. So we do 50 hours a week. We do 200 hours a month. We do 2,500 hours a year. 4 साल में 10,000 घंटे परे मारते हैं.
रंजीत भाई ऐसा लग रहा है आप अकेले ही लड़ रहे हो. अकेले कैसे ले जाओगे? मतलब मुझे आपसे बात करके द वाइब दैट यू आर गिविंग, जो आप बात बोल रहे हो, मतलब 450 बंदा, मतलब आई हैव नॉट विजिटेड योर फैसिलिटी, आई विल डेफिनेटली, जो मैं विजुलाइज कर पा रहा हूँ. अकेले थोड़ा जंग जीत लोगे. 450 में बेसिकली आप तो बेट तो 11 ही कर रहे हो ना, टॉप 11 बेट कर रहे हो कि यार ये ले जाएंगे. अकेले कैसे कर लोगे आप?
So this is what भाई जो आपने बात बोली ना, everybody says this to me.
मतलब लोन वॉरियर लग रहा है तो बिल्कुल मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है.
भाई I believe in my blood, I believe in myself that I can do it. And I have proved it. And I have not, see, if I hadn't proved, ये मैं इतनी बकवास करता और साले रिजल्ट मेरे आते ना, कुछ कोई मेरी बात ना सुनता ना. जितनी मैं बकवास करता ना उससे डबल रिजल्ट आते हैं मेरे, इसीलिए लोग मेरी बात सुनते हैं. जिस दिन मेरे रिजल्ट नहीं आएंगे, no one will listen to me. I am able to back it up by results. There are 2 things in life, guy. Bye. Only 2. Results and reasons. Reasons don't count. I have been giving reasons to people why we are failing till now, but if I had not been doing something about it myself, then I'm just like everybody else where I'm just complaining. I want to do something and I want to do it till the time I succeed or die trying. Simple as that.
अच्छा, so we were on the Minerva's unit economics. I just want to understand. So ये तो चलो 200 तो समझ आ गया, ठीक है. जो बाकी 250 है, हाउ आर यू फंडिंग इट? मतलब तो खर्चा आप जो बोल रहे हो इतने, कितने कोचेस हैं? 47
coaches plus we've got a staff of 150
staff. मतलब इसमें न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट
सारे sports psychologists, massage therapists, strength and conditioning coach, security guard, housekeeping, माली जो gardener, I mean football fields के लिए you require a lot of stuff.
4 हैं फुटबॉल फील्ड्स? कितनी?
4 football fields.
These are FIFA approved.
2 11 a side, 2 9 a side.
These are FIFA approved.
FIFA approved.
What do you mean by FIFA approved?
Means there has to be a standard of the field to be FIFA approved. You can't just have a land and put lines and says FIFA.
अच्छा, so मतलब वो आके ऑडिट करते हैं और सब.
हाँ, वो साल में पहली बार AFF वाले हमारे को accreditation देते हैं. There are around 200 academies, so-called academies in India, who applied for accreditation. Only 4 have been given 5-star or 4-star. We are one of those. We've been given a 4-star ranking, and that's also because we've not given 5 stars, because I also have 5 other academies. I mean, there only names are alag because if I have 250 then I have to make all of them play. So there are 4 other clubs existing there so that they can all get to play. Game time नहीं मिलेगा.
प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी तो फिर कोई
doesn't matter.
तो खर्चा कितना है फिर आपको, मतलब साल का खर्चा
I'll tell you, the expenditure is around to run of, I would love to have a budget of around 20 crores.
साल का बोल रहे हो?
Yeah, but we are doing it in around 10 crores. That is the actual budget for these boys. And what am I earning from there is around 10 crores. So बहुत ही see, और वो क्या है सुनो, because इसमें क्या है, आप कहते हो ठीक है तुम बच्चे ज़्यादा कर लो, मैं ऐसे सीटें खोलूंगा ना मेरी 200 सीटें भर जाएंगी,
मतलब 450 से 650 हो जाएगा,
पैसे भी आ जाएंगे, बट फिर उनकी सीटें कम हो जाएंगी मेरी.
कौन सी 200 जो आप स्पॉन्सर,
जगह तो उतनी है मेरे पास, तो या तो मैं पैसे कमा सकता हूँ, बहुत कमा लूंगा मैं, अगर सारा कुछ बंद कर दूंगा आई कैन अर्न 20 करोड़ से ईयर.
अब तो कुछ कमा नहीं रहे,
जीरो कमा रहा हूँ बिकॉज एफडी है. एफडी है भाई.
इतना पागलपन कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Because I believe, भाई, because see, this is all, and I believe and I back it up. See, अगर होता ना, if I believe, then people would call me mad because I used to go there and I get beaten by the Goras 20-0. कि तो पागल है बंदा. I believe and I go and beat them, and I've been doing it every single year.
पंजाब एफसी क्यों बेची आपने?
Because पैसे खत्म हो गए थे 3.5 करोड़. So there was this.
पंजाब एफसी कब बनाई आपने?
So this is पहले थी मिनर्वा पंजाब FC.
हाँ correct.
That's how we started off.
Correct.
And
That was 2020.
हाँ, yeah, 2020 तक.
2020 तक.
2015 से शुरू किया मिनर्वा पंजाब FC.
मतलब फुटबॉल क्लब था.
Yes, so Punjab, so that was how we started. Minerva Academy, Minerva Punjab FC. So Punjab FC करके उसको बेचा because there was this person called Sunny who is another Punjabi who is from the US, software, made his money in software.
Round Glass.
Yes, Round Glass, and he wanted to do something for Punjab, and I really liked his vision. And he's done it in hockey, golf, and even in tennis and all. So he actually wanted to give back to the people of Punjab, and I thought, okay, fine. And that time I had won the I-League and the under 13, 15, 18. And he was not wanting my land. He was not wanting my facility. He was wanting the kids. He was wanting the kids who had won the 13, 15, 18 and usse chote. 120 of my kids, plus my senior team, plus the space to play in the I-League. तो वो जब मैंने बेचा, उसकी वजह से मैंने ये बनाया जो बनाया.
Do you regret?
No, because I'll tell you why. Because वो लड़के अच्छे कर रहे हैं. एक तो वो ISL पहुंच गए. पंजाब से एक टीम ISL में खेल रही है अब. एक टीम मेरी I-League में खेल रही है. एक टीम सेकंड डिवीजन में, थर्ड डिवीजन में. जब मैं 2015 में आया था, there was not even one academy. Right now there are 8 academies in Punjab. Because why? Not because I'm great. Because Punjabis ऐसे होते हैं like Indians. अच्छा इसने कर लिया तो हो गया, हम भी कर लेंगे. And that is what I want. Yes, तुम कर लोगे यार. It's not rocket science. It is not. वही मैं बात लोगों को बोलता हूँ, मैं जीनियस नहीं हूँ. अगर तुम सुबह शाम का मतलब, how do you get to your aim? Eat, breathe, sleep. ये 3 चीजें अलाउड है other than your aim. अगर लाइफ में एम कोई भी करना है तो. सो तुम मुझे एक बंदा बता दो IAS का टॉपर है, NET का टॉपर है, तुम्हारे क्लास का टॉपर है, जो कहता है मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ता था हर रोज. सारे क्या कहते हैं 18 घंटे पढ़ता था, 16 घंटे पढ़ता. मतलब ईट ब्रीथ स्लीप. नहाता नहीं था वो. 18 घंटे जो पढ़ता है ना, वो सिर्फ सोता है उसके बाद. ईट ब्रीथ स्लीप, 3 things allowed than your aim. You will do it. Simple.
पाजी मेरे को ना अभी भी अगेन वो बार फीलिंग आ रही है कि ये अकेला ही बंदा है, अकेला लोन शेयर जिਵੇਂ ना शेयर कल्ला ही लग्या होया इस चीज़ ते. बट आप पाजी you were quite triggered with the messy chaos in Calcutta. Publicly आके you have spoken a lot of things. What went wrong? Actually क्या wrong हुआ आपके हिसाब से? मतलब क्या नहीं होना चाहिए था?
Like what is wrong with our associations? Because I have never seen कि पुलिस की एसोसिएशन में डॉक्टर है, डॉक्टर की एसोसिएशन में लॉयर है, बट फुटबॉलर की एसोसिएशन में फुटबॉलर नहीं है, बाकी सारे हैं.
बट ये तो पाजी BCCI में कौन से क्रिकेटर्स हैं?
आगे ना प्रेसिडेंट अब जाके. बिकॉज क्यों, किसने लॉ चेंज कराया? वही तो कराया. दैट्स व्हाट आई फॉट फॉर 15 years, 10 years in the Supreme Court, along with Rahul Mehra was the one who fought for it actually, and we supported him with petitions and all. And now we have a right in the Constitution I put up. I'm so proud, almost crying while saying it. The real stakeholders gone hai. The players, males and females, have a vote. They all have an independent body. They have a vote. Referees, males and females, have a vote. Clubs, champions of Indian Women's League, champions of I-League, ISL, all have a vote. Coaches, Males and females associations alag have a vote. So I've made their votes so equal that even associations come, if they really want to stand against them, they can. Independent. Unless players are part of associations, उनको क्या पता लगेगा हमारा दुख क्या है? जब तक तुमको दुख ही नहीं पता कि प्लेयर व्हाट ही हैज टू गो थ्रू, तुम कैसे रन करोगे यार? तुम बड़ी बड़ी बातें सारे करते हैं, ISL. Forget the ISL. एक लॉजेंज आंटी है. लॉजेंज आंटी इज दिस 85-year-old woman who for the last 40 years has sold lozenges, छोटी छोटी टॉफियां outside East Bengal stadium. उसका क्या हालत है अभी? उसके बारे में कोई नहीं पूछता. Nobody, I don't care about the ISL. They are my players, all of them. At least 70, 60, 50% of them. I don't care about them because they've earned last year enough to keep their family going. भूखे नहीं मरेंगे वो. भूखे कौन मरेगा? मेरे ग्राउंड्समैन, फिजियो, जो स्टाफ अलाउंड इट है. So,
क्या होगा उनका फिर?
we just waiting now. क्या होएगा? Waiting for this federation to do something. Solution is so easy. It can be done in 2 seconds, but they just don't want to do it. 18 करोड़ रुपए फ्रेंचाइज फीस लेते थे अंबानी साहब फॉर FSDL company for taking part in their private league. That's the only way you could take part. If I could beat you 5-0, I still couldn't beat in the league because you're richer than me.
What do you mean? I didn't know this.
So the top league was automatically formed by the 10 billionaires, which FSDL thought is okay. Private companies formed these new clubs. Overnight became the first division. We were demoted to second division. The only way you could get in was if you paid Mr. Ambani 18 crores a year as franchise fees. So these clubs have been bleeding. जो मर रहे हैं, हम मर के लुट के 500 करोड़ खर्च हो गए. तुमने खुद दिए 18 करोड़ रुपए साल के. क्यों दिए किसी को? 18 करोड़ के तुम अगर खर्च कर लेते अपने बच्चों पे, तुमको पता कितने प्लेयर बनाते? ऊपर से they said we're not going to run this. So FSD had to give them back 2 crores a year, all the clubs. Why? कि अपनी अकेडमियाँ चला लो please. So they had to be paid 2 crores a year. So 20 crores a year was spent on giving these ISL clubs money to run their academies. Otherwise, they said we are not interested because we can't afford it. They can afford 5 crores a year salaries, but they can't to one player. 5 crores, but they can't afford to run their academies, which cost 4 crores for all 3 academies. So 20 crore लेके 10 साल 200 crore खर्च किए जो किसी और के पैसे थे FSDL के, और तुमने कितने प्लेयर प्रोड्यूस किए इंडिया के लिए? With the best facilities, best coaches, best infrastructure. और यहाँ पे जो बंदा लोन लेके चला रहा है उसने ये कर दिया. Again I'm saying what is wrong with you guys? शर्म कर लो यार.
इन्होंने FIFA ने बैन क्यों कर दिया था AIFF को? कुछ था?
See, FIFA banned India because they said it's interference. When the committee of administrators stayed for too long, their only job was to get the elections done. But the thing was in such a mess कि constitution में कहा था कि you have to make the player commission, this commission, that commission. Because they started doing that, it was already 4 months. And then FIFA said you were too long and they banned it. But the same thing happened. The new people also came in. Got the new, हम जब COA आई, हमने elections करवाई. Elections करवा के new people came in. And the guy who came in was Kalyan Chaubey, who was supposed to be, I was very happy. First 6 months I supported him. Go and see my podcast. I gave everybody a chance, obviously. Why? Because, I mean, if you don't, why would you not support him? But then...
आपको लग रहा है दोबारा बैन कर देंगे?
नहीं. Ban नहीं करता. See, there's no interference. Na? This constitution which has been put by the court has been approved by FIFA. So Justice Nageshwar Rao went all the way to FIFA, people don't know that, in Switzerland, and got it approved and then gave it to the Supreme Court. Because the government cares that we don't want to be banned. That was the number one concern.
सर एक मैंने शुरू में भी बोला था कि जो क्लैशेस विद अथॉरिटीज़ है, आपको नहीं लगता थोड़ा सा डिप्लोमेसी काम
नहीं
कि नहीं, मतलब हाईवे
अभी तो सारे डिप्लोमेट ही है ना, क्या हो गया उससे?
क्योंकि बहुत जो आपके फैंस हैं, मतलब फैंस एज इन कि जो मिनर्वा में बिलीव करते हैं, आप में बिलीव करते हैं, मतलब एक तो दे ऑलवेज प्रेज कि आपके जो यूथ डेवलपमेंट पे है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो क्वेश्चन योर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाइल कि भी यार थोड़ी डिप्लोमेसी कई बार चाहिए होती है. नहीं, आपको लगता बिल्कुल नहीं फायदा उसका?
Why you have to be blunt? I mean, do you think that we are world number 20 or 10 that I can be, pussyfooting around it आराम से softly walking not on eggshells, किसी को कोई ना कर. यार मैंने अपनी जिंदगी लगाई है डिवोट के 2034 में वर्ल्ड कप पहुंचना है. मैं आपसे पोलाइट रहूंगा? If you're getting in my way, you are my obstacle. I'm going to get you out. Because my aim is getting India to the World Cup. Nothing else stands in the way. You have to be crazy like that, bhai. मैं तो ऐसा हूँ that see, I am so competitive that the day I will lose to my 20-month-old son and my wife will kill me that I will be so ashamed and I'll die in बड़ी thing. मैं अपने बच्चे से हार गया या मैं अपने dad से हार गया who's 70 years old. Once on the field, I'm going to eat your baby and boil him alive and eat him again. And that is the attitude you have to come. You're not on the field to do anything. You are a warrior. That's your profession. Whatever your profession is, you have to treat very, very seriously.
आपने पता है कौन आप you were a goalkeeper, right?
Yep.
तो मुझे ना वो याद आता है कबीर सिंह में जो शाहिद कपूर नहीं है गोलकीपर होता है वैसी वाइब है आपकी.
See, bhai, there has to be, because you have to have the belief. It first comes with the bloody ultimate belief.
बट बहुत सर जो ब्रांड्स हैं एंडोर्समेंट्स है वो बोलते हैं यार फुटबॉल बिकेगा नहीं इंडिया में लोग मतलब स्पॉन्सर्स नहीं आएंगे.
भाई ये प्रूफ आ गया, प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट मेसी का. वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर लेके आओ. आईपीएल में टिकटें नहीं बेचते 10,000 12,000 की जो बेची मेसी के लिए. 85 लाख रुपए, 85 lakhs फॉर अ सेल्फी, 10 lakh rupees फॉर अ फोटो लाइक दिस. 10 lakhs man.
मेरे कोई आइडिया नहीं है
भाई. 48 people in the hotel was sitting in 5 different lounges, 48, 5 lounges in the Leela. In every venue they did this. In the Leela, he went to one venue, 48 wala pehla lounge, 3 people, 2 people here, 2 people here, 4 people. Photo, sign shot, go. 10 lakh, गए 40, 48. So 4 crore 80 lakh, 4 crore 80 lakh, 5 कमरों से 25 करोड़ तो कमरों से कमाया उसने साइन और फोटो खींच के. प्लस जो उसने पर्सनल किया, that is with millions of dollars each. Then for a selfie 85 lakhs, father and son moment 25 लाख रुपया के बेटे को लेके जा तू फिर करेगा. My God man.
पैसा गया किसको था?
That was the organizer.
मतलब कोई प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजर उसने
मगर नहीं पहले नहीं, उसने पहले दिए थे.
उसने मेसी को पहले दिए थे
और वो उसकी रिस्क थी.
वो कितने दिए थे पैसे मेसी ने?
100 जो बात पता लगी है 100
करोड़.
100 ये मेरे को पेपर में. So I was thinking 150 but it's 100 because 11 crores was paid by Messi as tax. आज अखबार में आया.
तो 100 करोड़ वो बंदे ने जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजर था मेसी को 100 करोड़ दिए.
25 करोड़ तो एक स्टेडियम की टिकट से कमा लिए.
तो बंदा तो प्रॉफिट में चले ही गया.
Obviously भाई.
बट आपको सर मतलब यू बीइंग अ फुटबॉल फैन एंड डाई हार्ड मतलब जो प्यार है मतलब आपको डोंट यू जो पीपल लाइक बैचन भूटिया सुनील छेत्री मतलब
द फर्स्ट पर्सन ये ना मैं देख रहा था 3 वेन्यूज में क्या क्या हो रहा है एंड ऑल आर आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम विद देम बट इंडियंस वेयरिंग अर्जेंटीनियन फ्लैग्स एंड वेविंग फॉर मेसी. You wave for Messi but don't wear wear the shirt. Don't wear an Argentina flag around you. That is something which I could not take. So when he came into Delhi, the first person he met, I made sure I am the first person in the line. Not because I wanted to be a big fan, because I was wearing a 10 by 8 foot का scarf, which was the actual Indian flag. मैंने Indian flag ऐसे करके यहाँ पे roll किया हुआ था इतना बड़ा. First person he met was me. Welcome to India. Welcome to our national capital. चलो जी आगे अब.
दिल्ली में
you can see my photo and photo भी खिंचाई है इतनी बड़ी Indian flag की है. मैंने नहीं पहनी वो टी-शर्ट मेसी वाली. और जो मेरे गोट से जो मेरा गोट है, मेरा गोट छेत्री है, तुमने उससे मेसी की फोटो खिंचवा के तुमने उसके साथ खिंचाया. I mean, come on man, he's third on the list, on the same bloody list. He's 15 goals behind him. When he was active, he's 3 goals behind him. This is how you treat your own goat? You put him, make him stand him in line, make him wear his photo of Messi? This is what I'm saying. So in armed forces में बोलते थे, and this is I think George Washington said this. The amount of people who will join your armed forces will be directly proportional to how the current generation sees the past generation being treated in the armed forces.
Wow.
Doesn't matter how just or unjust the war. The same way with sports people. How many kids do you think these footballers will send their kids into football? Dhoni was a goalkeeper. Leander Paes was a winger.
स्पॉन्सर्स जो चाहिए मिनर्वा को भी आपको भी ऐसे आपने बताया कि 10 करोड़ का 20 करोड़ के एक्सपेंस है मतलब कुछ भी नहीं पैसा बन रहा. What is your message? Because I told you a lot of our podcast is seen by a lot of professional people. You know, क्या message?
I'm so grateful that you've asked this because nobody asked this. See, bhai, what I need is we are a Section 8 company, that means non-profit company. Because हमारा aim, vision, goal ही कुछ और है. So I need money for, because AFF is not going to do it. मैंने अपने पे ले लिया. So that means we need money every year for taking these boys abroad to these biggest competitions in the world. Because every year will be a new batch. And I have to take 3 batches or 4 batches now because other ones are also growing up.
Under 9, under
10, under 11 because वो वाले बड़े हो चुके हैं. अब उनको मैं कैसे लेके जाऊँ? मैं एक ही बंदे को बार-बार लेके जाऊँ. फिर वो कैसे ग्रो होंगे? वर्ल्ड का बैच तो मेरा 200 बच्चों का है. मैं 20 बच्चों पे कैसे फोकस कर रहा हूँ?
तो
उसके लिए मुझे पैसे चाहिए.
मतलब स्पॉन्सर चाहिए कि ये जो बच्चे लेके आपने जाने हैं.
आप उनकी टिकटें खरीद दो यार. आप उनका खाना पीना रहना दे दो अब्रॉड.
तो टिपिकली क्या, अगर लेट्स से एनीवन वांट्स टू पार्टनर विद यू, तो कितना पैसा लगेगा?
No, it's going to be CSR money, yaar. You have
correct.
so you have CSR.
Typically,
or if you want to sponsor.
Yeah.
So it depends on how many people you want to sponsor. There's no typically money. Every
एक
rupee,
team होगी,
every.
team
So suppose this team, it will cost you 30 boys, 5 lakhs per boy per year. Is 1 crore 50 lakhs a year for 30 boys. Khana pina, rehna, education, everything taken care of. Another 50 lakhs on top to take them abroad.
2 crore रुपए.
So 2 crore रुपया.
नहीं आ रहे सर, मतलब कॉर्पोरेट्स पंजाब के बंदे नॉर्थ,
1 रुपया नहीं आ रहा
यार. कैसे नहीं आ रहा पाजी?
And I've been really deeply involved with cricket. You can't be very far away from cricket when you live in India. Shubman is my boy. He's played over 50, 100 matches for Minerva since the age of 13. Starting from Siddharth Kaul, Gurkirat Maan, Manan Vora, Harpreet Brar, Puneet Brar, then all the boys even currently you see, they are all played there. But never did I think, oh my God, I should get into cricket. I've been the manager of the Indian cricket team and for 21 one-days and 7 test matches. ICC put me as the manager of the Pakistan cricket team. I don't want to go there at all. I mean, kya fayda hai? I mean, being a world champion in a sport where only 10 countries play is not what we Indians are good about. We Indians can be world champions when the entire world plays. फिर बने ना बात. And why not, man?
और है तो फुटबॉल ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट, तो फुटबॉल ही है ना यार. अगर इंडिया की हम ग्लोबल की बात करते हैं तो क्रिकेट तो है नहीं ग्लोबल. फुटबॉल तो हर जगह, ब्राजील के छोटे से गांव में भी फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. और
It's not only a global sport, it's also a great leveler, bhai. Doesn't matter your caste, color, creed. If you are scheduled caste, if you are a Brahmin or you upper class, everybody, billionaire, poor guy, everyone's equal on the field.
तो क्या मैसेज?
और ये इन्होंने क्या किया ISL में? इन्होंने हमारे को गरीब बना दिया, मेरिट पे नहीं किया. इसीलिए मेरी लड़ाई थी कि तुम मेरे से, और तुम क्लोज लीग कर दी कि ये रेलीगेट भी नहीं हो सकते, तुम ऊपर भी नहीं हो सकते, प्रमोट भी नहीं हो सकते. उसके लिए मेरे को 10 साल और लड़ना पड़ा AFC FIFA में.
अच्छा, मैं एक और क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, मेरी इंट्यूटिव क्वेश्चन. आपको लगता है कि इसलिए पैसा तो नहीं आ रहा है? स्पॉन्सर थोड़े डरते हैं कि अरे रंजीत बजाज ना भाई बहुत वोकल बंदा है, इसने तो ऑल इंडिया एसोसिएशन छोड़ो किसी को छोड़ता नहीं, हमने नहीं कंट्रोवर्शियल से जुड़ना, इस ऐसे तो नहीं कारण हो सकता?
देखो, सो कंट्रोवर्सी से जुड़ो ना जुड़ो, तुमने अपनी कंट्री से जुड़ना है कि नहीं? तुम मेरे को नहीं स्पॉन्सर कर रहे ना, तुम रंजीत बजाज को पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो. यू आर गोइंग टू बी स्पॉन्सरिंग अ डायरेक्ट प्लेयर who will go directly play for India and you can keep claiming him all you want. You can put your company's name यहाँ लगा लूँगा भाई. I don't care. You don't want me to put Minerva, I will not put Minerva, man. I'll name my team after your company. Why? Because the whole aim is to get India to the World Cup. So I am not their competition. That's what AFF thinks. I'm not their competition. It's the same aim. If it is the same aim. उनका aim same नहीं है ना. गोल ही अगर कुछ और होएगा तो
उनका क्या aim है?
उनका एम क्या? उनका एम है कल कैसे देखना है, हमने अपनी जगह कैसे रखनी है. आर पावर.
वो तो पैसे दे सकते हैं आपको.
So when India, by the way, beat Bangladesh beat India 1 month ago. अगले दिन मीटिंग, इमरजेंसी मीटिंग, मेरे को लगा वाह क्या बात है. एक बारी बात तक नहीं बांग्लादेश के बारे में. बात क्या थी मीटिंग? हाउ टू स्टे इन पावर. सो व्हाट डू वी टेल द सुप्रीम कोर्ट सो वी कैन कीप द आर पोस्ट इन द स्टेट एंड इन द फेडरेशन. दोनों चीजें कैसे रखें हम? Because court ने बोला था you can't be the home minister of Punjab and be the home minister of India also. You have to drop one. कहते नहीं, हमने वहाँ का प्रेसिडेंट भी रहना और यहाँ पे भी बनना है. तो इनसे ये तो जिस दिन बांग्लादेश से आ रहे हैं. So they don't care, man. They've shown it so many times. Why do you think I'm like this? I'm not. I mean, पहले दिन do you think I'm like this with you or with everybody else? पहले दिन से ऐसा हो भाई. This has been made.
तो sponsors को क्या मैसेज है? क्या बात करना चाहते हो?
Only one message. I believe in my country and I believe my boys can do it. All I need is your help. And you don't need to give me 1 rupee. You need to sponsor these boys. उनका खाना कर दो directly. उनका उनके plane tickets कर दो. उनके hotel कर दो. Whatever you want to sponsor, you sponsor. And do it directly to the vendor. I don't care. But help these boys because The only boys which can make our dream come true is these, and not because ये boy special है. No. Because इनको ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है. अगर आप मुझे और लड़के ला दो कोई और, मैं उनको ट्रेनिंग दे दूंगा, वो भी पहुंच जाएंगे. मैं नहीं, कोई भी अगर ठीक ट्रेनिंग देगा, ठीक खाना पीना देगा, ठीक देगा, जैसे बाकी 32 कंट्री पहुंचती हैं, हम भी पहुंच जाएंगे.
मेरे को आपने इतना चार्ज अप कर दिया ना इसमें, अच्छा पाजी, वैसे ऑन अ लाइटर नोट बताओ, आउट ऑफ इंडिया है ना, आउट ऑफ इंडिया और योर क्लब, आपका फेवरेट प्लेयर ऑल टाइम कौन सा फुटबॉल?
अभी आएगा.
चलो एक बता तो दो. वैसे
नहीं है यार. My favorite player is not there. My favorite coach is there. I have Cruyff, who's my favorite. Arsene Wenger is my favorite. Pep Guardiola is my favorite. Marcelo Bielsa. Player मेरा इंडियन ही बनेगा भाई. अभी कोई फेवरेट नहीं है, भी नहीं था, कोई नहीं फेवरेट. रोनाल्डो कोई फेवरेट नहीं है.
और कोई क्लब भी नहीं, मतलब something that you...
So how I fell in love with football is because Arsenal was my club. Why was? Because in 2018 when I won the Indian League, I was ranked 100 in Asia. And I had 1001 in the world. Arsenal was 25th on the same list. मेरा club उस list में. Why should I support another club? I'll support my own club. ये तो problem है. So we have 750 million cricket fans in India. We have 350 million football fans. But Indian football fans 25 million. 2.5 crore. European football fan 33 crore. 33 crore. The rights for the Premier League in India are shown anywhere between 50 to, in Spanish, between 50 to 100 crores. Rights for ISL is 0. So, this is the difference. And why? I don't blame the Indians. If I have a Premier League match, Arsenal, Man U, I'll watch that. Why? Because I'll be able to learn much more from that and teach my boys. I don't want to watch these boys play. तुमने लास वेगस तो बना लिया. लास वेगस का रेस ट्रैक या मोनाको का F1 रेस है. बट चला रहा है हमारा कोई लूना वहाँ पे. That is what's happening.
तो फेवरेट क्लब आपका आर्सेनल था एंड फेवरेट प्लेयर आप बोलते हो इंडियन ही होगा, जो भी होगा.
फेवरेट प्लेयर था उस टाइम पे थियोरी ऑनरी. थियोरी ऑनरी वाज माय फेवरेट प्लेयर.
अटमोस्ट ऑफ कन्विक्शन आपने बोल दिया कि 2034 क्वालिफाई करेंगे वर्ल्ड कप. आपको लगता है सस्टेन कर जाएगी उसके बाद इंडिया?
भाई वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई करने पे नहीं करेगा. क्वालिफाई इसलिए करेंगे क्योंकि मैं एक वो लड़का बनाऊंगा. एक मैं लड़का बना दिया, सस्टेनेबल है फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
मतलब आप बेसिकली कपिल देव ढूंढ रहे हो,
जैसे क्रिकेट. हाँ,
सचिन ढूंढ रहे हो.
बिल्कुल, जैसे क्रिकेट सस्टेनेबल है. अब कोई नहीं पूछता अगला तेंदुलकर कहाँ से आ रहा है.
अपने आप आ रहा है.
नहीं आ रहा ना, कोई नहीं पूछता. हमारा आप पूछ रहे, जो हम पूछते थे 10 साल पहले, तेंदुलकर कहाँ से आएगा यार. अब कोई नहीं पूछता कि अब ये क्या पूछ, चेत्री कहाँ से आएगा. ग्रास रूट्स कैसा है तगड़ा हमारा. जो हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है ना, यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं, 2-2 करोड़ रुपए के सुपर सॉपर है उनके पास, जो पानी उठाते हैं कि बारिश जब हो जाती है. एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट के पास. एक स्टेट के पास 200 करोड़ का बजट होता है, विच इज 1/5 टाइम्स द बजट ऑफ AIFF. एक स्टेट के पास. ऐसा ग्रास रूट सिस्टम है. वी कैन हैव अ T20 एंड टेस्ट एंड वनडे, ऑल बड़ी चैंपियन टीम्स. और एक नहीं, 2-2, 3-3 बना सकते हैं, तीनों जीत सकती हैं. इतनी तकड़ी है. क्यों? ग्रास रूट्स. कहाँ से मिल गए? ढूंढे जाके, ट्रेनिंग की, वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस. लुक एट द फैसिलिटीज. गो टू एनी स्टेडियम नाउ, लुक एट द फैसिलिटीज फॉर दिस. हॉकी में कैसे बड़े हुए? लुक एट द टर्फ्स. वी हैव गॉट नाउ 4,000 टर्फ्स इन इंडिया. 20 years ago, how many turfs did we have? 80. 40 years ago, 2. When did decline start? 40 years ago. जब टर्फ्स में शुरू होगी गेम. इंडिया पाकिस्तान both went down. पाकिस्तान still not gone up, उनके अभी भी टर्फ्स 200 है. And 50% of the players in the Indian senior team, men's and women's, are now from Odisha. Because Odisha is the one who's got 800 turfs. उनके हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में टर्फ है. वो पटनायक ने क्या काम किया है. One man. So we just need one man to make a game into number 1.
समझ गया.
एक बंदा, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर चाहिए भाई. Not because हमारा कंट्री इतनी बड़ी थी. एक चाहिए. Because कुरासाओ इतना सा है, ये सारे इतने से हैं, तो हमारे को भी सिर्फ एक चीफ मिनिस्टर चाहिए. इसीलिए मुझे लगा कि अगर जब ये कुरासाओ वगैरह करे, तो मैं 1,60,000 से ज़्यादा मैं ट्रायल कर सकता हूँ. तो इसीलिए पता लगा कि साले वो कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. मुझे भी किसी ने करके दिखाया.
पाजी, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट दैट वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. इस जो एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है अभी इंडियन सुपर लीग की, जो अभी इनका फ्यूचर अनसर्टेन है. तो अभी सर कोई मैचेस हो नहीं रहे. आई लीग पे कोई मैचेस नहीं हो रहे, ISL पे मैचेस नहीं हो रहे. यू सेड दैट कि लास्ट हमारे जो बच्चे इंडिया जो फुटबॉल खेला है वो 270 दिन पहले खेला है. सो अगर कोई मैचेस हो नहीं रहे एंड योर विजन इज कि यार फीफा वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई करना है, तो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन टू आवर व्यूअर्स कि ये जो इंडियन सुपर लीग और जो आई लीग वाली जो कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है क्या?
Paji, you're asking me a very simple question, when we're talking right now. Why do you go against, why do you speak against, why do you speak against them? इतना ज़्यादा क्यों बोलते हो? डिप्लोमेसी. जब कोई भूखा मर रहा होता है, डिप्लोमेसी कैसे करोगे? यार प्लीज़ खाना दे दे यार, प्लीज़ खाना दे दे यार. कौन सा खाना? मेरे हक का खाना यार, जिसके लिए मैं मेहनत करता हूँ यार, पूरी ज़िंदगी मेहनत की है यार. इसके लिए डिप्लोमेसी चाहिए आपको? Why shouldn't I stand on top of the rooftops and call them the chores they are? Why shouldn't I do chittar parade in front of everybody? I mean, if I had my way, I would go to the office and give them a chittar parade. Because that's what they deserve. I'll tell you what's happened, bhai. Bro, can you believe 270 days से football बंद नहीं है? 270 days से livelihoods बंद है. Like लोगों fans के लिए game है, ठीक है? पर जो game खेलते हैं उनके लिए game नहीं है, उनके लिए profession है. उनका नहीं, उनके families का घर चलता है. तो उनकी जो बच्ची की स्कूल की फीस है ना, वो प्रिंसिपल नहीं सोचता कि वो अच्छा ISL बंद है तो तू अगले साल आ जाना, उसको निकाल देगा. जैसे कोविड में सबकी फटी थी, एवरीबडी वाज इन देयर ओन थिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैड टू शिफ्ट एवरीबडी टू गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर वाज नो मनी कमिंग टू अस. व्हाट डिड वी डू? सो you'll have superstars doing things who will not be able to pay their EMIs because nobody expected this. I know they're earning in crores, but nobody expected this. So you keep your earnings, you're earning in crores, you're spending also in crores. Chalo, even then, they will not die hungry. Then you've got people in the I League who play for 6 months. जो 6 महीने में कमाते हैं उससे बाकी 6 महीने चलाते हैं. Then you've got people in second division, third division जो सिर्फ 2 या 3 महीने खेलते हैं, उससे जितना कमाते हैं, जो is like peanuts, उससे वो बाकी चाम चलाते हैं. वो सारे भूखे मर रहे हैं. They are not के okay what is happening. They are doing labor. I have footballers who have played संतोष ट्रॉफी in I League and second division जो इस टाइम फिजिकल लेबर का काम कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली जैसे आपको बताया था कि मैंने स्कूल इसीलिए किया था कि जो फुटबॉलर ना बने तो ही इज़ नॉट लॉस्ट आउट इन लाइफ. सो वंस ही हैज़ एन इंजरी और समथिंग लाइक दैट, इट चेंजेस हिज माइंड, ही कैन गो टू एनी करियर. पहले स्पोर्ट्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया स्पोर्ट्स वाला हो तो यू कैन ईदर डू स्पोर्ट्स और स्टडीज. आई हैव नेवर हर्ड एनीवन डू बोथ. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ईदर दे हैव स्पोर्ट्स और दे हैव नथिंग. कल मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा अपने गुरप्रीत सिंह संधू इज मेरा जो कोच है सुरिंदर सर, उसमें टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर, इज फ्रॉम हिज स्कूल सेंट स्टीफेंस, चंडीगढ़ का स्कूल है. एंड ही गिव एन आर्टिकल, ही सेज आई एम नॉट एन MBA, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड. आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम नॉट एन MBA, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड.
गुरप्रीत संधू जो फुटबॉल अपना गोलकीपर है जो,
हाँ, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में आर्टिकल में हेडलाइन आया, आई एम नॉट एन, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड, आई एम नॉट एन MBA. क्या समझ नहीं आई कि मतलब कि अगर मैं यहाँ नहीं करूँगा तो मैं कहाँ करूँगा. स्टार तो मैं हूँ, मेरे 2 मिलियन फॉलोवर तो हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, बट मैं सोशल मीडिया स्टार नहीं हूँ ना जिससे वहाँ से कमाऊँगा. एंड ही सेज चलो अभी आई एम लकी टू बी इन अ प्रोफेशनल क्लब लाइक BFC who's paying my salaries and who's also making me train, so I'm perfect. What about the boys who's Odisha FC? Shut down, no training for the last 6 months, no salaries to staff. Chennai NFC, no salaries, no training. Hyderabad FC shut down last year.
यार कोई गल क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे बारे?
Because they're all people who are billionaires and nobody talks about them, and I take them on because I say facts. See, मेरे against की है, मेरी life दी इधर रही है. If you go and see my past, people are scared about certain things and I'm not scared about them. The scared things are that police है या lawyers है या court है या jail है. So once you start from there, what's the worst which can happen to you, and you're okay with that because you know you're supporting the truth. I will always say it like it is.
तो कंट्रोवर्सी क्या है अभी ISL? अभी होगा ISL कि नहीं होगा?
Now see, I'm talking also about the groundsman, जिसने जो माली है जिसको पैसे नहीं मिले क्योंकि वो पिच ठीक करता है, ग्राउंड ठीक करता है. एक है जो ग्राउंड मार्किंग करता है सिर्फ, एक जो है कमेंटेटर है. I'm just trying to move up the chain now. And coaches हैं, and support staff है, and जो कैमरामैन है, एंड जिसका कैमरा है उसने 10 करोड़ की इन्वेस्टमेंट की है कि हर साल मैं कैमरा रेंट करूंगा, मुझे निकलेगा. यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, यू किलिंग द एंटायर इकोसिस्टम. यू थिंक द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हु इज एट एज ऑफ 17-18, what will he do? He'll wait for football to start? No, he will take up cricket. धोनी did. ऐसी तो धोनी गया था यार, ऐसी तो लिएंडर पेस गया है, ऐसी लाखों बंदे. So India is a talent killer. हम किल करते हैं टैलेंट को. टैलेंट हमारे में बहुत है, हम मार देते हैं उसको. Because we do the worst thing to support them. See, we have a thing in India of not supporting them when they need it. They don't need it when they made it to the World Cup. They don't need it when they even almost there. They don't need it when धक्का जो कहते हैं हम धक्का दे, धक्के के लिए नहीं आए हो तुमने बनाना है. So they need it when they have nothing. Right now, my footballers, my players, my coaches, my referees, my staff, they have nothing. And yes, I have an academy. I am paying my staff. I am different. There are few clubs like BFC, who are I-League club, and they are doing their jobs. But most of them have shut down because they are, at the end of the day, company who looks at black and red. And जहाँ पे red में आ गया तो उनके executives कहते हैं, what is this? What is the league going on? Nothing. Where's sponsors? Nothing. बंद करो उसको. उनके लिए company है. So that is one thing. And then when you say कि अब क्या solution है इसका? Solution ये है कि all the clubs should come together and screw the federation, man.
13 clubs है ना?
13 clubs हैं और बाकी जो I-League clubs हैं वो भी इकट्ठे आए. अब 25 क्लब की यूनिफाइड लीग बनाओ. सारे क्लब 4-4 करोड़ रुपए डालें एक साल के लिए. 100 करोड़ का बोनस हो, अब कॉर्पस हो गया. या आप 5 करोड़ डाल लो, 125 करोड़ का बोन हो गया. उसको आप बैंक में डालो. उसमें से आपके 12 करोड़ रुपए आ रहे हैं. उससे आपकी लीग विद प्रॉपर लीग चल सकती है. प्रोडक्शन की बात कर रहा हूँ. नहीं सर, हमने ना 20 कैमरे से करनी है और हमारे को ना एक कैमरा चाहिए, हमारे सर पे भी लगा होना चाहिए और एक वहां पे पोल पे लगा होना चाहिए, एक फुटबॉल में भी होना चाहिए. तुम्हारे जेब में 4 रुपए नहीं रहना तुमने ताज में जाके. पहले तुम लीग तो करा लो यार. This kind of things. Oh, we want to do it in 20 venues. Why? COVID happened one venue in a closed thing. Why not? Because football has to happen. ISL will definitely happen. Okay. I-League will definitely happen. By the way, if there's even 1% chance it doesn't happen, it will be the biggest failure of Indian sports in history of Indian sports. Because इस साल archery league हुई है भाई. And I'm not saying anything wrong with archery. Because archery में, what kind of teams can you have? Archery is single sport. But उसकी भी लीग होगी है, उसकी भी टीम. बैडमिंटन की लीग होगी है, टीटी की लीग होगी है, कबड्डी की लीग होगी है, बास्केटबॉल की लीग होगी है, क्रिकेट की तो होती है 10. क्रिकेट की तो हजारों लीग हैं, उसमें तो हर स्टेट की लीग है, वो भी टीवी पे आती है. कैरम की लीग हो रही है यार. सो दिस इज ह्यूज फेलियर. You've let down the most popular sport in the world and the second most popular sport in India by far, which is 50% of what the football is now. When there's a world-class player, that those people, you don't understand what kind of economy you're missing. The economy of the power. Cricket की power कितनी है financial? कितनी power है? देखा? We ruling the world.
मसल है.
फुटबॉल की भी उतनी है भाई. Because मेरे फुटबॉलर के जो फैन है ना, अच्छे फुटबॉलर को, वर्ल्ड क्लास फुटबॉलर के लिए 85 लाख रुपए देंगे सेल्फी के लिए. किस क्रिकेटर के लिए देंगे?
I don't think so.
तो वही जो ये जो JSW, Ambani's and all the big companies, Adani's and all, and they want to call these people away. Which cricketer will they call after giving them $2.5 million and opening their home for them at 2 o'clock in the morning because they want to have dinner with the guy?
I don't think so.
No one. So see the power of football. इस country में पावर समझ नहीं है. Economics also it matters. Assam did a great thing. Assam ने elective कर दिया subject football. क्या बात है. Just see the number of footballers will be produced from there. Football will happen this year, but it will be obviously not in the same way we are used to seeing it. Hopefully, the federation gets its act together and does something. The reason I was doing this Kalyan Chaube out, which I did, it was to save Indian football because it's not about a person. It's about the position. So I have nothing personal against that guy. I was the first one who supported him because he was a footballer and he was a goalkeeper. So I loved him. But because of and some people, suppose you're incompetent, na? It's not your fault. Okay? If you're an idiot, it's not your fault. If you're stupid also, it's not your fault. Okay? Other people suffer because of it, but it's not your fault that you're stupid.
But
if you are corrupt,
that's our fault.
It's a choice you make. Yeah. That's why people say, it's got to do with success, has got to do with this and factors and this. It has got nothing to do with anything. It's got to do with choices you make in life. Choices is what? Is effort a choice? Yes. Is discipline a choice? Yes. Is hard work a choice? Yes. Success is a choice, no then? What else is it? And all these three things have nothing to do with your father, your mother, how rich or poor you are, which caste, gender, color, creed you are. So when you come to even when I was talking about, is this a career you should take up? Even after I said so many bad things about it, yes. हमारे टाइम पे parents never used to send kids to abroad, kids to football or to any sport, because उसमें career तभी बनता था अगर तुम 11 बंदों में आ जाओ, फिर उसकी वजह से गवर्नमेंट की नौकरी मिलती थी. अगर तुम क्रिकेट की टॉप टीम में आ जाओ तो तुम्हें रेलवेज में यहाँ पे नौकरी मिलगी. सेम विद फुटबॉल, बट नो मनी. ओके, नाउ यू डोंट नीड टू बी इन द इंडियन टीम, यू नीड टू बी इन द स्टेट टीम of any league and you'll make enough money. Any league. So I'll give you an example of football. And it's not a good thing, but that's why these boys are not going abroad. The amount of money these boys are being paid is enormous, is equal to what Arsenal pays or Barcelona pays. I'll give another example. All parents, क्या था, IIT है ना सबका गोल, IIT टॉपर होना चाहिए हमारा बेटा. IIT का टॉपर जो इस साल का है, मद्रास से आया था IIT का टॉपर. 4.3 करोड़ का सैलरी पैकेज है उसका. Anwar Ali earns 4.8 crores at 22, center back for East Bengal. He used to be living in a hut in Adampur next to a railway line.
मतलब पैसा है इसमें, मतलब parents should be, मतलब जो what you're reaching out to is the parents.
And you all know this is the worst we can go. इससे नीचे नहीं जा सकते ना.
तो इसमें भी अगर 4 करोड़ रुपए बन रहा है.
So imagine where the sky is the limit. See, I do consider myself not to be a stupid man and having some sense. And when I say I've devoted my life to this and I will do nothing else, when I know my capability and my prowess that if I want put my mind to something, I can be a billionaire tomorrow. Because see, it's about effort. Effort, hard work, discipline, जहाँ भी लगाओगे result मिलेंगे. तो मैं पैसे कमाने में लगा दूँ, अपना नाम कमाने में लगा दूँ, अगर जैसे ये वो होएगा नहीं मेरे से, because वो अंदर से नहीं आएगा. But अगर मैं करूँ तो I can do that. But I don't want to. It doesn't give me happiness. See, when you die, you don't see I've got 100 crores in my account. You see मैंने इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप पहुंचा दिया. या अभी तक तो यही है कि इंडिया का एक ही गोल स्कोर किया है वर्ल्ड कप में. एक स्कोर किया है उन्होंने सिर्फ अंडर 17 वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया में. उसका नाम है जैक्सन सिंह. वो है मिनर्वा का लड़का. अभी तक ये किया है और उसको सिलेक्ट नहीं किया था इन्होंने. These boys, none of my boys get selected. So मैंने क्या कहा इनको कि मैं पैसे दूंगा. अंडर 17 वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में हो रहा था. इन्होंने टीम बनाई. मैंने कहा मैं पैसे दूंगा, मेरे प्लीज लड़के देख तो लो. नहीं तुम्हारे लड़के नहीं देखने नहीं. मैं कहा प्लीज देख लो. ठीक है तुम लेके आओ. और फिर गरीब बंदा करके इकट्ठे 30 बच्चों को गोवा लेके जाता है फ्लाइट से, अंडर 15 अंडर 17 टीम को, टू प्ले द इंडियन अंडर 15 अंडर 17 टीम. एंड वी थ्रैश देम बोथ. And then they select 9 of my and 7 of my boys. And then that is the boy who scores the only goal which has been scored in the World Cup. And Anwar Ali was one of the other boys. And Jackson Singh. And then all these. See, so it's not कि talent नहीं है. ये talent को लेके नहीं जाते हैं. Talent जाता ही नहीं हमारा ऊपर. Talent मार देते हैं. वो तो मैं था ना पागल लड़ रहा था कि मैं लेके जाऊंगा यार. चलो वो तो अब्रॉड ले गया था. उस बार मैं इनको वहाँ लेके गया था. अगर मैं ना लेके आता अपने पैसों पे गोवा, और पैसे नहीं दिए उन्होंने मुझे कोई, लड़के मेरे ले लिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. बट अगर मैं ना लेके जाता तो इंडिया का गोल ही ना होता वर्ल्ड कप में यार. अभी तक हमने गोल ना किया होता. सो दैट वाज अनदर प्रूफ फॉर मी कि हाँ ठीक है, जिद किया मैंने की है, वर्ल्ड पे गोल हो गया तो क्वालिफाई भी कर जाए.
चकते इंडिया के शाहरुख खान हो आप?
नहीं यार, दैट्स अ फेक स्टोरी. दिस इज अ रियल स्टोरी. एंड दिस स्टोरी का अभी ये बहुत पहला है. ये पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
So on that note, Paji, मतलब ये तो ना, this has been a very emotional but at the same time extremely charged up. मतलब जो आपने बातें बोली हैं, thank you Paji for just being so honest and being Ranjit Bajaj, है ना. Honest हटो, just being Ranjit Bajaj, है ना. And that is, and मुझे लगता है सर अभी पार्टी शुरू हुई है और जब इंडिया क्वालिफाई कर जाएगा उससे पहले भी हम 2-3 बार पॉडकास्ट जरूर करेंगे आपके साथ.
करेंगे भाई. अभी हम देखना अप्रैल मार्च में जब मैं आऊँगा, मेकअप से कर रहे होंगे, देख लेना. ऐसा हिस्ट्री करके आएंगे हम, देखना.
थैंक यू पाजी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू इंडिया. एंड पाजी आई एम वेटिंग, उसके बाद अप्रैल के बाद आप जीत के आओ, फिर करेंगे दोबारा. थैंक यू पाजी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस.